We've reported several arrests in recent weeks of Central Oregonians allegedly returning from the Portland area with shipments of pills containing deadly fentanyl. Today, Kelsey McGee spoke with a local drug enforcement agent to learn more about the drug trafficking. Kelsey?
Lee, the most recent arrests in Central Oregon involved Bend, Redmond, and Prineville residents. I spoke this afternoon with Sergeant Kent Vanderkamp, who asked that we not show his face. The issues of deadly fentanyl pouring over the mountains and into the high desert are on the rise. Detective Sergeant Kent Vanderkamp says they've seen a more than 141% increase in Oregon just since last year. I asked Vanderkamp if he could paint the picture of a typical trafficker.
They tend to be men in their mid-20s to 30s. For the traffickers, for the users, that's the bigger problem. The users right now are from 14, maybe even some places younger, as high as in their 60s. And some of those are accidental overdoses, thinking that they're using prescription medications. And others are addicts trying to find the next high. So we're seeing this huge demographic of users. But yes, the traffickers tend to be younger men.
The detective explained how the pills are handled due to the risk of even touching them.
Some of those packages, we don't even open them. We have equipment now that can actually test the drug from inside the package using more or less a laser. So we don't have to open the packages.
Then are secured in evidence, and then when the cases are finished, the package is sent away for destruction. According to the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs Veterans Health Administration, it only takes 2 milligrams of fentanyl to cause an overdose. Vanderkamp says the pills are also inconsistently made. Some may be all binder, others all fentanyl.
Imagine a 5-gallon bucket or a small tub basin being used to mix them. There's no recipe, there's no measuring cups, there's no formula. They're simply mixing it up and putting them into a commercial press machine. So it's become the modern day version of Russian roulette.
The sergeant says the Portland area is experiencing these same issues and a major drug shipment point.
Portland is a hub city for a lot of the Pacific Northwest, simply because it's one of the larger cities that is on the I-5 corridor that goes north-south, and as well as I-84 that goes east-west. So Portland is an ideal spot for that.
Vanderkamp also tells me there's no shortage of tips on these cases, which has brought the recent surge in arrests. He says tips come from current users and family members, as well as the DEA. International packages intercepted by Customs and Border Patrol have also led to more arrests. Lee, back to you.